everyone, it's Dr. Julie Jack with Pure Living Nutrition. Welcome back to another recipe video. So as many of you guys know, I love watermelon. So I thought that today we would make my watermelon jicama salad. And this recipe is from my recipe book. So if you have my recipe book, it's on page 129. And if you don't have my book, I will be posting this recipe on my website at purelivingnutrition.com so that you can check it out and print it out for your reference. So I love this salad because jicama is a root that has a nice mild flavor. It has more of a mild pear or apple flavor to it. It's full of vitamin C, it's very crunchy, and it's really nice and refreshing in the summertime, especially if it's in a salad. And the fact that you can combine the mild flavors of the jicama with the sweet flavor of the watermelon makes a really nice combination in a salad. So we'll go ahead and get started with what you're going to need for this recipe. So for this recipe, you will need 2 cups of cubed jicama. And I was able to find this pre-cut at my local Sprouts. So if you're wanting more of a shortcut, you can check your local store to see if they have pre-cut jicama. And then you will need 6 cups of cubed watermelon, a 1/4 cup of red onions, 1/2 cup of arugula that's been chopped, 2 tablespoons of fresh mint, about 1 tablespoon of fresh basil or 1 teaspoon of dried basil, 2 tablespoons of red wine vinegar, and the juice of a 1/2 lime. Okay, so now we're just going to go ahead and combine everything together. So we're going to start with adding the jicama to the watermelon, and then we're going to add the red onions, the different herbs, followed by the red wine vinegar and the lime juice. Give it a nice gentle toss. Okay, and there you have it, a very nice, light, and refreshing salad that was very quick to make. And you don't need a blender or any type of special equipment. You just chop everything up and mix everything together. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this recipe. If so, please like the video, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel to receive weekly videos on recipes and healthy tips on living a healthier lifestyle. Thank you guys for visiting, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!